Hi, Femi Dada here with Smarter Design Technologies. I do get a lot of questions, and one of the questions I got from one of our customer is this. And the question is, how do I whitelist an email address, domain name, so that the email from the user or sender does not get stuck in junk mail folder? So say you are in your email and you basically receive an email from a sender. You can right click the email like this and go down to the junk um, um, menu option over there and say allow sender or do not, not a junk. And it will make sure that that email from that sender doesn't go to junk any further moving forward. Another way that I like to do that is basically, and this is my recommended and preferred method, is basically to just click on this um, um, junk mail option over here from your home screen, and you click on that and you go to junk mail option. Then this menu pops up. You can choose an option, different options from here. One of the ones I like to use is to use the low option. In this case, some email may get caught into junk, but again, based on your preference, I would really encourage you to try this option and see which one works best for you. But more importantly, this is where I really want to get your attention to. There is a tab called Save Sender. You can add anyone with their email address or domain name to this list right here. You can say test test 123 at 123.com. If you add that email account here, whenever an email comes from that email account, they will be allowed to reach you. You can also use the Save Recipient tab to do the same thing. And also, there's with Outlook, you can also block sender. So if you have emails that people are sending you, spamming you, and you want to block them, you can simply select this tab, add the person's email address to the block list, and you will never get email from them anymore. And one other cool feature to mention is the international tab. In this international tab, again, with cyber criminals, known states targeting American businesses, if you know for a fact that your business does not expect any email from any one of these countries here, you can simply just select that country and you will never receive email from that country. Again, this needs to be done very carefully because you never know where your next customer is going to come from. But again, if you're not expecting email from North Korea, you definitely need to make sure that that's blocked. For those of you similar to my business, working with the government and stuff, that's something that you may want to do. Again, if you're not sure about these things, this is where you want to consult with your IT service provider. And again, all these settings that I just showed you right here are basically on your Outlook side of Outlook side, meaning that on the client in Outlook. Similar can be done with other email client. But again, this is on the end user side. So this is only to the end user. The other option is to discuss with your IT solution provider or your managed service provider, and they can log in into your Office 365 or your email server and configure that system based on the server side so that the settings will be applied to everybody in your organization. And that brings me to this very subject. So if you're a small business and you have servers, Office 365, and you're not really sure how to go about managing those systems, that is what we do here at Smarter Design Technologies. And I encourage you, if you need support or trying to implement some kind of data prevention policy or email or strict email security and things like that, please reach out to me or my team, and we'll be able to assist you with those kind of solutions. If you need any help, please reach out to us and make it a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.